Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to easily crop elements with CSS. You don't even need to write the code manually if you want to crop anything, any element using the CSS. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser and in the search bar you need to search for Clippy CSS clip path generator. It's a very long search bar process. Now here in this first website, just simply open this Bennett Freely website, and from here you can select the crop ratio, the crop pattern you want. You have multiple patterns for you right here. You can just simply select the crop value you want. Once you're done with it, when you scroll down and once you are done with it, you can just simply get the path code. Here you can see the clip path. You can directly copy the path code with you and use that path code over your CSS file. You have multiple settings for you, and this is the best thing you can get to optimize your creativity. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.